Okay, so I see you've put sort of a courtyard together. Kind of feel like the camera angles could use a little bit more thought. They seem just sort of random. Also, the character pose needs, a lot more attention as well. Um, let's take a look at Maya. Um, yeah, I mean, I'm wondering, these bricks to me look very, very wide and narrow. Um, Not that there can't be bricks like that, but it just feels a little extreme. Um, just because they're so long. Um, but maybe that's just how they look. I don't know. Yeah, well, they're not repeated more. But I imagine like, oops, probably the wrong way. To me, that looks more believable and normal. What I think you've done is to just want to be curious what would happen if what is this, Lambert 3, if I just made a square surface and just scale this up proportionally and then put Lambert 3. Oh, it's already got, oh, that's the default? Really? Oh, or you have it on Lambert 1 as well. So you've put this, and actually this proves my point. So look at the size of the bricks here. Really, you've didn't UV map these surfaces, and then you had just elongated surface, which then elongated the texture, which did those crazy stretched out weird looking bricks. So you could repeat the UV texture, or you could do a proper UV layout to begin with. Um, I think the ground looks all right. Um, the doors, I think you're not going to get away with a plane with these unless they're really in the distance. I think you're going to need geometry, like actual with some depth, like modeling these little guys and those things and stuff like that. I don't really buy it. So I see this as a pretty sparse environment with not a lot of effort. Through a plane on the ground, plane for each wall, dragged a texture on there without UV mapping, made this very simple, paper thin surface, and then a super simple prop and these kind of weird looking trees and called it a day. I mean, to me, this is not a carefully, thoughtfully modeled environment. I really think you could put some more time and effort into this, pulling from reference images, adding details, adding more. It just looks like a rushed kind of not very. It just doesn't look like the right you didn't put enough effort into it. Or, you should be looking at reference, texturing things more carefully, making sure they work together. But really, just a lot more, geometry.